Uh, Hi guys, in our previous tutorial we already covered like some of the browser commands like get title, get current URL, get page source, and close. We already covered these, and in this tutorial we'll cover get Windows handle and get Windows handles and quick command, right? So first of all I want to let you know what is that handle. Basically it's not an it's an ID for a browser instance, like whatever the browser window we are opening for with respect to that we like browser is returning a ID, so that is known as Windows handle. So here you can see, I just for an example I just want to explain you. So for this particular window, like web browser will WebDriver will return a ID, so that is known as handle, right? And if we are clicking here on some link privacy, so it open the next instance, so then it will return the second ID for this instance. So with the help of that ID we can switch between these pages, and that is like handling pop-ups. We can use that for handling pop-ups as well, those IDs. So now I'll explain with that our automation script. We'll start from here, right? So we'll create a new Java project. Java project. So I'm giving its a name like pop-up. So, and we need to select this Java SE 1.0 and click on finish. Now expand this, click on source. We can create one Java class. So right click on this and then new class. Alright, here if you want to give name to this, you can give this package name, otherwise by default it will take it default. So I'm giving it as lib library folder and the class name handling pop-ups, right? So we'll use main method in this class. Alright, click on finish. Before proceeding, so this will be our class where we'll write our automation script. So before proceeding I want to let you know, or it would be good if we can import Selenium jar files, right? So right click on this source folder, click on import, here you can build path, sorry, click on build path, configure build path, click on libraries, add external jars, and wherever you kept those Selenium jar files you can import them. Like I kept in C drive Selenium and lives folder, so select all those files and click open. So all those jar files you can see they are added here. Once you'll click OK, so here after this GRE system library it will create one referenced libraries folder. It means those jar files are included in this package, right? So click OK. So now these jar files are the part of your this Java project. Okay, now you can start writing the code. So in this main file we'll create an instance of the WebDriver, and with respect to which browser? Firefox browser. So what it will do, it will launch the Firefox browser. So it's showing red lines. I already told you, if it's showing then you can move the focus over there and you can see, well, like for this we need to import this package Selenium, right? Because this WebDriver class is coming from this package, and for this as well we need to do the same thing, like Firefox. Oh no, it's not, sorry, it's not browser, actually it's a driver, right? So in WebDriver we have multiple types of driver, like for with respect to every browser, Firefox driver, IE driver, right? In this case Safari driver. So here this is Firefox driver, so this is coming from this package, right? So done. Now we will open a particular instance like driver dot get method, browser method. We already used this method in our previous tutorial. We'll pass the string or URL. We can pass www.gmail.com, right? So it will pass this URL, and we will maximize the window. Maximize, right? It will maximize the browser window. We will wait for some time. Thread.sleep, and 3 seconds I am putting, right? It will throw an exception. Click on this, move the focus on this pointer focus, and you will see add throw declaration. So it will throw an exception. Click on this interrupted exception, let it be. Okay, so now what it will do, it will launch this. Now we want to see what is the handle ID for this, right? So driver dot get window handle, right? So this will return the handle for this main page. So what it will return, actually it will return a string value. Here you can see. So I'll save this in a string variable, string, and main handle, right? So this will be our main handle variable. So now we can print this and we can see what this get window handle is returning. So what it will do, it will print the value of this main handle variable on console, right? So it's a string. Select this. So here you can see main or show space ID. So Java syntax plus and the variable name, like you can copy and paste this variable. Alright, so if you will run this, it will print an ID for that web page like gmail.com. So you will see here, run this program. So wait for some time. Then after this method, we'll see the use of get window handles, right? What is that returning and how to use that? See, so it launches the browser, it opens this, and right, so it will not close this automatically because we didn't use that close command. So I'm closing this, and here you can see on the console it's printing in like a Windows handle. So this ID, this is an ID string value, right? So this is known as handle. So for every open Windows it will return an ID, right? So now what we want to do, we want to click on this, right, privacy, then it will open this window. So we want the handles for these two instances, right? So we need to click on this. We can do one thing here. We can see what is the XPath of this variable. Click on inspect and then move at the bottom, privacy. So this is returning the XPath. I'll use this one, Control C, and come to your script part. So let come here, driver dot find element by dot XPath, right? So you can pass on the XPath, Control V dot click method. You need to click on that, then it will open the next instance, right, of the browser. Now we came to the next instance. and we want to print the Windows handles, right? So if we'll use get window handles function, then it will return the handle ID for both of the instance. Like here you can see for this one and for this one. So now I'll show you. Come here. So driver dot get window handles, right? So now what it will return? It will return a set of strings, right? So set of string values, and here you can print some variable name all handles, right? So all handles is nothing but it's a variable name. Let's import some utility for this set where it is mentioned. It's inside this Java utility, right? This package. So we need to import this package, right? Now we want to see how many IDs are there in this all handles variable. So what I'll do, all handles dot size. So size, what will do, it will count how many IDs are there, and what it will return, it will return an integer value. See, so we can print some integer value, int total, correct? So it's running. So total if we'll print, then it will print the values of this, like how many IDs are there in all handles, right? So same thing we can print on console to check. Print ln, let me know. So total handles, handle IDs, right? So we can print plus and total. So it will print, and what I'll do, driver dot close. Okay, I'll let you know the difference between close and quit. Close we already used, but I just want to show you. Okay, so here you can run and you can see. No, we got some error message. Let's wait. Let's see. What is it? Oh, actually command duration timeout. Okay, let me increase some time, 5 seconds. Okay, so close this browser version, right? And we'll save this and we'll rerun this program again. So here we go. Right, now I will click on that privacy and it will open the next instance. Right, now it opened the second instance. It will close this window. See, its returning total is 2. Now why it's not closing out this window, right? Because driver is still focusing to the previous page on this page, gmail.com, not on this privacy page, right? So that's why it's not identifying this page. If we'll use driver.quit, then it will close all the opened instances of the browser, right? We will use quit and you will see next time it will close that, right? So it's returning 2 IDs. If you want, we can print those IDs, right? So let me do that. I'll make it as comment and all handles dot iterator function we can use, right? So it's an interface in Java. So here you can see what it's returning. It's returning an iterator string typecasting and then iterator. It's a variable, right? Might be it's confusing for you, but don't confuse yourself. It's a variable and type is iterator. So we need to import this package java.util, right? So now all handles iterator while I'll use while loop iterator dot has next. By the time it has some values, it will keep on printing. Alright, so system dot out dot println, right, string. So we'll print the value of this iterator, right? So I'll use this iterator dot next, and we need to typecast it to string because it will print the string value, right? So to string. Okay, so you will see now it will print those two IDs. Let me make it as, if we'll run this, it will print the IDs of both the let's read unresolved complication problem system error syntax. Okay, here I think yes, and this is the error. Okay, so let's run it again. Here you can see, now you can see we have two different IDs for two different instances, right? And it and the browser is closed, right, both the instances. So might be you don't notice that, that's why I'll wait some thread statement here. We'll wait sleep statement. Four seconds. Okay, after 4 seconds it will close the browser. Now we have print all these two IDs. Now the question is, how will move the driver focus from this first page to the privacy page here? Suppose right now my driver is like pointing to this page, but I want to come here and click on any of these link, right? So for that we'll use a condition. We'll use some condition here. Let's make it as a comment, and I can use this statement out, Control C, and right, it equal to this. So this will return some value, and it would be like string type of value, right? Okay, so here you can see, let me remove this for the convenience so that it will not confuse you. Now what I'll do, I'll use if condition. If all handles, the main handle, right, the main page ID or the main handle, handle dot equal, and we'll pass this id iterate, right? It will keep on getting the id from this loop, right? And we can use that here, control V. So it will check if this main handle id is equal to this, but we want not equal, so that we can move to the next page. Not equal, right? And here you can put this comment, right? If this is not equal, correct, then driver dot switch to dot window, and what is the id? Iterate, right? If that is not equal, then we can move to this. Okay, now our driver is pointing to the next id, like this one equal to this one, but our condition is like if this is not equal to this, then driver dot switch to dot window iterate, where the id is this. So now our driver is this. Now we can break the statement, break this condition, right? And we'll come out, and here driver dot find element by dot xpath dot click, right? So why I mentioned this statement, because I already told you I want to move driver focus from this page to this page, and I want to click on this, suppose here, right, information we collect, or write any of the link wherever you want. Okay, I can click on this. All right, so here you can copy this XPath, control C and control V, right? And we can click. So now our driver will point to this, and then later after this driver will quit. Okay, so now you can run this program and you'll see the output. Okay, we are getting some error. We'll see. Okay, so this timeout issue is okay. We'll run it again. Sorry. Control and run as Java application. Alright, now it will click on privacy, right? To open the second instance, second window. We'll see. I think some issue is there. Okay, I got it. I think. So what is the mistake? I think we need to control X also and control V. Okay. Yeah, I think this was the problem. So let's see, control F, and we'll run it again. Oh no, something is wrong here. see. Now you see how we use information and it closed both the instances, correct? Now you understand. So here you saw, right, like through iterator will traverse through that, like the IDs or the handles it's returning, the Windows handles function, and then we like switch to the next page. The driver focus we move to the next like the current page, and then we click on the link on that page, and then it's wait for 4 seconds and then quit. Then it closed both the instances, right? So now in this way you can handle pop-ups, like how to switch like driver from one page or one web page to another web page, right? So using Windows handles we can switch from one web page to another web page. And the quit, you know now the difference between the quit and the close is clear to you. Close will actually close the current instance of the browser, and quit will close all the instances of the web browser. So now we are good to go with the like handling pop-ups with this. And if you want to see like how to come back, then we can come back using the same statement, driver dot switch to dot window dot, and we can come here all handles. I can show you, right? So we'll wait here for some time, thread dot sleep, so 4 seconds, then we'll do driver dot switch to dot window, and the window ID we can main handle, right? I'll pass this this ID, main handle ID, like main handle. If I'll pass, then it will point to the sorry, this. Oh, okay, this is the problem, right? And we can uncomment this. So now it will point to this, and how to make sure like the this is pointing to the same driver or same web page. So driver dot I'll print actually, okay? So system not main, sorry, driver dot get current URL, okay? Here you can see, and here also I can print the same thing. So here our driver is pointing to the privacy page, so it will print the URL for the privacy page, and then it will print the URL for the main page, right? Because now it's pointing to the main page. So now we can run and we can see it will print those two values on the console. So here I'm explaining like how to switch the drivers between two web pages, right? So it would be easy to understand. Like then we can see how to handle pop-ups with the Windows handles. Correct. Click on privacy. Okay, so it's a second window. Now click on this, how we use information. Now after 4 seconds it will point, come over here back, right? You can see is the main page, and quit the window, and here you can see. So first it printed the current URL for this statement, print the URL for this privacy page, and then driver point to our main page. So this is printing the URL of the main page, right? You got it. So thanks for watching. Please, if you like it, please click like and subscribe my channel for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.